Again, blessed people, this is very urgent. There is a severe earthquake coming to the earth. A very severe earthquake coming to the earth. Today is August 10th. Today is August 10th, the year 2023. And right now it's about 4 minutes past 9 a.m. East African time. This is a serious warning. There's a severe earthquake, the judgment of God coming to the earth against homosexuality and idol worship. And remember, I am on my way to Brazil also. So this is very serious. The Lord has warned a severe earthquake coming, and I'm headed to Brazil. Very terrible time now. Today, August 10th, 2023, about 9 minutes, 9 a.m. East African time, 10th August, 2023, a severe warning of the massive judgment of God coming against LGBT and idol worship, homosexuality, transgender, lesbianism. I see buildings tumbling down. The Lord put us in there, so the two prophets running. They were running there for their lives. The building, the windows, the balconies were falling, and the buildings are tall. At one point, I see tall buildings collapsing and leaning on another. Remember, we are leaving for Brazil. The Messiah is coming. Everybody must repent. Everything that is shakeable must be shaken until the unshakable kingdom of the Messiah is established. That's why we are here. The Messiah is coming. Be holy.